If you have spent 5 minutes on LinkedIn or a job board lately, you've seen the unicorn, the mythical full-stack developer. The person who can design a pixel-perfect UI in Figma, write a high-performance React frontend, architect a scalable microservices backend, and then jump over to DevOps to configure the CI/CD pipeline. But here's the cold, hard truth that most hiring managers won't tell you. True full-stack expertise is an illusion. In fact, in modern software engineering, it's almost impossible. Today, we're talking about why software is a team sport and why trying to be a jack of all trades might be actually be holding our industry back. Before we continue, I want you to know that this channel is all about growing as software engineers together. If you want to join, subscribe now. In 2010, you could be a full-stack developer. The web was simpler. You had some jQuery, some PHP, and a CSS file. You could keep the whole mental model in your head. But look at the landscape today. Frontend isn't just making things look pretty anymore. It's a deep field involving complex state management, client-side rendering, accessibility standards, and cross-device performance. Meanwhile, the backend has exploded. We've moved from simple servers to distributed systems, serverless architectures, and massive data pipelines. Each of these subfields requires years of dedicated study to master. The human brain has a limit. True expertise that allows you to solve a 1 in a million bug or architect a system that won't crash under heavy load requires focus. When you try to be an expert in everything, you inevitably become a master of nothing. You end up with surface level knowledge. You can build a crude app, sure, but can you secure it against advanced threats? Can you optimize the SQL query that's slowing down your entire infrastructure? This is where the concept of T-shaped professional comes in. The top bar represents broad knowledge. You understand how the stack fits together. But that vertical bar, that's your depth. You might be a backend specialist who understands React or a frontend expert who knows an API works. But you can't have two vertical bars of equal depth. There simply aren't enough hours in the day. Software engineering is a team play. When you have a dedicated front-end engineer, a back-end architect, and a DevOps specialist collaborating, the result isn't just built, it's engineered. The front-end engineer ensures the user experience is flawless. The back-end engineer ensures the data is safe and the system is resilient. They push each other. They peer review each other. That friction between specialized experts is what creates high-quality software. When a company hires one full-stack developer to do the work of 3, they aren't getting a bargain. They are accumulating technical debt. Because that developer is stretched thin, they'll cut corners. They will use a library they don't fully understand. They will ignore the database index because they're too busy fixing a CSS bug in Safari. In the end, the product suffers. So if you're a developer, stop feeling guilty because you don't know every single framework. Focus on your vertical bar. Be the person the team calls when the hardest problems in your niche arise. And if you're a founder or a manager, stop looking for unicorns. Start building a team. Software is too big, too complex, and too important for any one person to carry alone. Full-stack development might be a great way to start a project, but specialization is how you finish a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.